Decisions. What to do. Got any suggestions? I'm Rick, and this shut the heck up, you stinking boosters. Prepare for your sanity. This is the shack. Hey everybody, welcome. If you're new to the channel or if this is your first time stopping by, thank you so much for taking some of your time out to view. Always ask that you would consider subscribing, and if you do, ring ding that bell down there so you are notified when the videos do come out. Give it a thumbs up, like it, and share. It helps the channel. I do have a quick question. I need you, the viewer, I need some input. I really hope that the few people who do watch my video can possibly help me out. I do have a couple of questions. I got a few things that I am thinking about, possible projects. I'll talk about that later in the video. I don't know exactly where it's going to be, so you may have to kind of skip around. I don't expect you to watch everything the full length, but because of the situation we're in, the only reason why I'm doing these videos every single day, I want you to see that I am staying busy. I really hope that it encourages you, motivates you, makes you say, you know, I got some things I can do too. And that's what it's all about. Get out and do it. Sitting around, getting idle, it's going to really make you go nuts, stir crazy. So we don't want that. The more we stay busy, the faster the time goes and the faster we're going to get through the situation and back to our normal lives. Again, I don't know where it's going to be, but I need your input. I have a couple of questions on some things I'm thinking about doing. Somewhere in the video. I don't know where yet, so I'm sorry I can't tell you right now. So skip through what you got to do and let's get this video going. I have my list of what I want to accomplish today. It's just what I would like. So my list today is, my last video, got this all organized, set up, ready to go. Now I want to get all the cardboard put behind it, put the, as you see I've already done that, get all my buckets of my cutoffs put over here, so all the wood is here now. Then to my left here, next to the door here, I have 4 mirrored closet doors I want to take out to the storage shed. I have the cabinet over here, wooden cabinet I got from a customer. I'm going to take that outside for now. And there's some stuff out there I want to get rid of to be able to put that in there. I have a corner in the storage shed. I got to throw some things out. And I have a black cabinet out here that I want to use for my paint storage, so I'm going to bring that and set it over here. And there's some other things that I want to start moving out of the way so I can get to my bandsaw back here. So there's a whole bunch of stuff happening. It's a little disarray, but I am making progress, and that's the key right here. We're going to continue to make progress, so no more yapping. Let's get going. in this corner that I was just cleaning up, I had a stack of these empty containers, and I came across something that I'm thinking about. I'm going to show you a couple other things real quick. But I came across this. I forgot what it was. I thought it was just a simple container. I thought it was something that a drill would sit in, because it's an old Black & Decker 3/8 utility drill kit. I forgot about this until I opened it up. It's actually a neat little, almost like a mini toolbox with a drawer here. So I guess the drill would go here. You get drill bits, stuff, whatever. Kind of a neat thing. So I immediately thought of my trains. I thought this would be a perfect thing to set some tools in or supplies in for my model train. So that's going to go in the area with all my model train stuff. So when I start working on my railroads, this will be part of that. Then I came across this and I thought of something, and I'm going to talk more about it a little bit later in this video. This would be a very easy build, so it might be something, a nice little project to do. So back to the cleaning, and let's finish this up. I don't know if you can hear it on there, but we finally got our rain we're supposed to have yesterday. There. Running pretty steady now. Only problem right now, ooh, I'm getting wet here, is I need that to come in the shop. It's pouring right now. Oh. My next move now is I need to take this cabinet, move it into the storage container. Woo-wee! It's pouring! It is coming down. This is what we were supposed to have yesterday, so we were only supposed to have 1 day of rain. Now we got 2 days and it's pouring. There goes my road. It is going to get absolutely flooded out. Oh my gosh. Well, it's not as bad as it has been, but it's getting there. Luckily it's kind of calming down. It's rained so hard at times, oh here it comes again, that it literally flooded this from edge to edge. It was like a river running down here. But this has been raining so much it's cut away. So now we got right in front of my property. Kind of sucks, but whatever. Well, I gotta get back in the shack. I'm gonna get wet out here. Good little storm though. Now we finally got our torrential downpour. A day late. Dang. So I forgot where I was at. So anyway, I'm gonna go through this cart. I'm gonna get my bandsaw out, put it over on the other side of my table saw. I gotta move some stuff around here. But what I wanna do, move this as soon as I get breaking rain into the storage. And when I get a chance, get that cabinet that's outside. The cabinet is going to sit here. I know it's kind of dark in here, but this is what I got to do. That's the before. As soon as I get done, I'll give you the after. And there we go. All cleaned up. That's the after. 2 of the toilets are thrown away. Things are swept, clean, moved. So now I can bring in that cabinet and I can get the black cabinet moved into the shop. Now rain stopped. We got a little break in the clouds, and you see the mountains are got a little bit of white on top of them. I can zoom in a little bit. Well, when that clouds lift, we get some skies out. It's going to be absolutely beautiful. All that's going to be white snow. A little chilly right now too. But that's it. Won't want to move. That's the only thing I'm going to miss is a pretty view. I'm not going to miss nothing else about California. Well, we got done just in time. It's starting to rain again. So that was a huge blessing to have that little gap between. Allowed me to get some of this done. Yeah, it's starting to come down good again. But for those of you who actually watch my videos, I am very appreciative. So this is geared towards those who watch the video. Hopefully you watched it this far. Remember the little box I showed you earlier in the video right here? I got a question for you, and I want you to hit the comment section below, and I want you all to chime in. I want to do a project. I'm not sure which one I want to do, and I'm not sure about them, but maybe you guys can give me some ideas on how to do this, or what I should do. So I'm going to go through each thing here and kind of give you my idea of what I'm looking to do, and maybe you can help me out and tell me which one you'd like to see first. These are 3 projects I would like to do. I don't know if it's going to be in for the shop, or it might be a little bit from the shop, a little bit in my room in the house. So with that, come up here. I want to go through this a little bit. This is a big plexiglass Cadillac sign. I'm thinking of framing this in wood, kind of to the effect of a shadow box. Inset this maybe 1/2 inch and have 1 inch or so behind it, but I'm thinking of putting LED lights around in the back, the ones I can change the color and stuff. So I could change it like a blue, a red, whatever. Dim it. I don't want it real bright. I just want to accent this. I think this would be kind of cool sitting in a frame with some lights. I actually thought about trying to do something like a what do you call it, infinity box. I don't know how I could do that with this, but I have to figure out about the LEDs. I don't want LEDs that are too long, too short. I want to be able to cut them to the length I want and solder stuff, so I don't know which ones to use. So maybe you guys can chime in and help me on this, but I would like to get this in a frame, light it up somehow. I think it'd be kind of neat for the shop. And the other thing is, I have all these emblems. My dad, when he would go to the junkyard, he'd pop off emblems. I'm thinking I would like to get a frame, maybe have a foam board or something in a frame, again thick, almost like a shadow box. That way I can glue these and push them through, because I don't want to break off the tabs, but I think it'd be slick to have these in a frame, perfect for my room. I think it'd be kind of cool. All these I could arrange somehow, put them on like a foam board, but I don't know if I put cloth over it, how I'm going to secure these to that so they don't fall off. All these different emblems, I can make like a collage. I think that'd be kind of cool. So that's the second project, or idea for a project. Put these all away. And I'm not sure if I use a foam board, if I use like a glue gun, if that would be enough. You know, I'm not sure. And the third project I'm thinking of is build this very simple box. That would be so easy to build. We can mimic this. I'm just looking at this as a very simple project. No special joints, just actually butt joints all the way around. Daddles to slide these in. You could use a single blade, because this, and the same thing on the edge here to make this rabbet or lap joint, whatever you want to call it. Make that box. That'd be so easy to do. That would be a nice little build. So those are the 3 projects I'm thinking about. And again, that's why I want your input. What do you think I should do? And as far as like the infinity type build for the big Cadillac sign here, you know, I'm not sure how I could go about doing that. I know how I could do infinity box, but I don't know if this would show it behind that. I would like that. It'd be kind of cool, I think. So please give me your input, ideas, remarks, whatever. And we'll go from there. Maybe next week I will do one of these as a project. See what I'm doing. I'm staying busy, getting these things done that I would not normally do, and this is a good opportunity to get it done. So thank you so much for watching. Be blessed. Take back your shack for your sanity. I love when it rains. It's so soothing. So I'm going to go ahead and have some dinner. We will see you next video.